Oh my God, the day is finally here. I know you're all really excited, so just try to relax a little bit and just take it all in, okay? Guys, we're about to do an unboxing of the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 with an M1 chip, okay? I ordered this mid-November and it just came in today. Today is December 21st. So I've been eagerly awaiting and anticipating this the whole time and being like, oh, it's something good to look forward to, my beautiful new computer. And by the way, I haven't had a MacBook since 2008. Well, that's the last time I bought one. So, but I'm going to make another video about that. So, without further ado, let's start opening this son of a gun up, okay? Gotta have your utility knife ready. Just kind of be careful, okay? You don't want to scratch the computer, okay? Listen, I need an aesthetically pleasing computer. If I scratch it, I'm returning it, okay? That's just all there is to it. Oh my God, I gotta show you guys my view real quick, okay? I'm sorry we don't have two cameras, but it just greets you right when you open it up, okay? It's poking its beautiful face at you and saying, kind of teasing you and saying like, this is me, pull me out. Reach your hand and pull me out. And that's just what we're gonna do. Oh man. It's like I'm looking in a time machine. I was 17 years old, a junior in high school, and I had waited all day for my MacBook Pro 13-inch back in 2008. It was February, it was cold. And I came home from school, real excited, to a note on the door, and it said, try again tomorrow. Or it's something like, come to the UPS place tomorrow because you can't get your frickin' MacBook today. I remember being really upset about it. But anyway, yeah, this reminds me of back then. It's a long time ago. All right, here's the box. We got that autofocus so you can see the camera and the umbrella light behind you. Beautiful. Okay. Oh man. A sexy box. Okay. Kind of minimal and tried and true. Oh man, I thought I was gonna have to use the box cutter. I don't. How about that? How about that? Oh, you're telling me this is gonna keep going? No. This isn't gonna keep going the whole way around it. I know it won't. Let's try it though. We're gonna try. Miracles happen every day. Go. Okay, it didn't happen. Let's throw it away. Return it. Okay. So let's get right into it, man. Let's get into the MacBook Pro unboxing. Now, we're going with the one camera setup. We'll have some B-roll though, so we'll have some pretty shots going on. Okay. None of the specs and stuff are listed on here. Apple Mac. Let me just do this. You guys can see it, I believe. You can see it there too. Okay. We framed the shot beautifully. Okay, that's all there was up here. Okay. Let's just you know what? Hold on. We're gonna do this. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Look at this thing. I can't remember if this is the space gray or the granite or whatever the hell I ordered. Maybe we'll, I don't know, we'll take a look at that after or something. What do? Pull this tab? You tell me oh man. This is cool, man. This unboxing experience is pretty cool. It's like unwrapping a new gift because that's essentially what it is. Oh, I love it. Okay. I didn't think it was going to be this exciting. I mean, I knew it was going to be this exciting, but I didn't think it would be this, like, satisfying kind of thing. Okay, we've got the computer. Maybe we should have opened everything else up before the computer, but this thing is about negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? It was sitting out in the winter on the stoop. I'm glad they left it. I would have rather had them leave it than them leave the note that says, you idiot, you can't come and get it till tomorrow. You know, I'd rather it be in the cold for a little bit. I think it can handle it, okay? But anyway, this is the computer. Well, that's a good thumbnail. Maybe we'll do that. I don't know, man. We'll see. Okay, let's put the computer here. Okay, we've got designed by Apple in California. Little is this the okay, this is kind of like a little user manual. MacBook Pro. Got all the stuff. It's like, hey, if you don't know how to use a computer, come and look at this. Okay. Okay, that's just the card stock. I thought that or something back. Here we go, man. What is this? Okay, we got the two stickers this time. They're silver. Usually they used to be white, I remember. Okay, so that's a big difference. Pretty exciting. Now, we're looking at the charging cable. I'm tired of being delicate, man. I'm diving in head first, okay? I don't want to break anything, but oh my god, this is the charging cable. Look how long we're looking at it. Look at how long this thing is, man. I know it's kind of weird, but I want to smell it, man. And here is the power. I don't know what the hell you call it. The power adapter that you plug the charging cable into. Okay. I'm unwrapping like a Christmas present because, like I said, this is a Christmas present to me. A little early. I should have waited till the 25th, but you know, it doesn't matter, man. USB-C power adapter, 61 watt. Okay. Now, what is there anything else, or was that all? That was all, man. That was everything that was in the package. Here's the thing about this computer: $2,200 after tax. Okay. Now, I'm not some big shot kind of guy that can withstand the blows of that kind of financial loss. Okay. So we had to really save and kind of be mindful before we could make this purchase. And I'm not regretting it yet. Okay. It was a little scary to do at first. I was like, this thing is a small piece of really useful and really powerful hardware that I'll most likely make a lot of music on and render a lot of video on. Take it with me places if I want to, even though I can't go to the cafe. I mean, you can go to the cafe now, but if you go in there with your headphones and you're sitting in there with your mask on, sucking back on your coffee, and looking at you like, why the hell are you in here? The world is supposed to be staying in their house. You're screwing up. I'm going to pack my stuff and leave after they judge me about it, and I'm never going to do it again. Now let's take a closer look at this because we want to set it up. Let's include the setup in the video. And I also want to go into some of the specifics of why this thing's $2,200. Ow! Oh, I just stepped on a frickin' race car that's on the floor. This room is a mess. I'm glad you guys can't see it. Beautiful setup of the MacBook Pro 13 2020 with M1 chip. What the hell's wrong with the screen? Oh, okay. I was about to send it back. You can click anywhere on the frickin' mouse now. That's weird. So before anyone's like, you must know this stuff, it's like, I have not had a MacBook and not used anyone else's MacBook since I bought mine in 2008. So this new like mouse pad and stuff, I'm brand new to it. Hey Siri, you're an idiot. Hey Siri, open the documents folder, idiot. I don't actually not like Siri, but well, let's just say sometimes I ask her questions and she doesn't answer them, and then I feel like I'm 5 because, you know, even she couldn't answer it for me. It made me feel like an idiot. First impressions, I really like the keyboard and the touchpad, and I haven't used one of these touchpads ever, so the kind that you can click anywhere. You know, there's not a lot of like give to the keys, like they don't press down really dramatically, and I've been really used to a keyboard that does that because it's a gaming keyboard and it's mechanical and it's really clacky, but I'm sure I'll get used to that for this. And I also have an external Bluetooth I have an external Bluetooth. I bought an external Bluetooth keyboard and mouse as well, both Apple, the Magic Mouse and the Magic Keyboard, and I'm going to be incorporating this into my setup and using those as well, but for now I have to get used to this keyboard. From memory, the reason why this thing was $2,200 is because it has 16 gigs of memory. It has 1 terabyte SSD. I bought Logic Pro with it. I should have bought Final Cut as well because I'm going to use both of them a lot. I'll probably buy Final Cut really soon. I can't remember what else, racked that price up, but that 1 terabyte was a pretty big jump. The 16 gig was a jump, if I remember right, and a few $100 were added on for the Logic Pro. There we are, guys, unboxing the MacBook Pro 2020 with the M1 chip, 13-inch. Okay, this is my first MacBook, like I said, since my last MacBook I bought in 2008, so this is pretty exciting for me to splurge and just rip a hole in that wallet like there's no tomorrow. But sometimes you just got to go for it, okay? Listen, if you don't take risks in life, you're not going to get far, okay? If you're safe all the time, nothing good's going to happen, okay? You're not going to have any good experiences, okay? So we took a risk. We bought the MacBook. We're going to get stinking rich making videos and music and everything just because we bought this. All right, guys. Hope you all have a good day and have an even better Christmas and New Year. And beautiful, more videos to come, more beautiful videos to come, and we'll see you for the next one.